Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## tutorial on numpy zeros matrix. ### Introduction to numpy. Numpy is a powerful library in Python used for numerical computing. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a wide variety of mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. One of the common tasks when working with arrays is initializing them with specific values. The numpy.zeros function is used to create an array filled with zeros. ###. What is a zeros matrix? A zeros matrix is a matrix in which all elements are zero. This can be useful for various applications, including initializing weights in machine learning models, creating templates for data processing, and setting up matrices for mathematical computations. ### Syntax of numpy.zeros. The basic syntax for numpy.zeros is shape, a tuple of integers representing the dimensions of the matrix, example rows, columns. Type, the desired data type for the array elements, optional. The default is float. ###. Creating a zeros matrix. Here's how you can create a zeros matrix using numpy. 1. Import numpy. First, you need to import the numpy library. 2. Create a zeros matrix. Use the numpy.zeros function to create a matrix of the desired shape. ###. Code example. Let's look at a simple example to illustrate how to create a zeros matrix. ###. Output. When you run the above code, you will see the following output. ###. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing numpy. We start by importing the numpy library with the alias np. 2. Creating a 2D zeros matrix. We create a 3x4 zeros matrix using np.zeros, 3, 4. The shape is specified as a tuple, 3, 4, which means 3 rows and 4 columns. 3. Creating a 3D zeros matrix. We create a 3D zeros matrix with shape, 2, 3, 4, indicating 2 layers, each containing a 3x4 matrix. 4. Creating a zeros matrix with integer data type. We specify the data type as int to create a 2x3 zeros matrix with integer values. ###. Conclusion. The numpy.zeros function is a convenient way to create matrices filled with zeros for various applications in numerical computing. Understanding how to use this function can help you initialize data structures efficiently in your projects.